Alright guys, I am doing a waterfall video right now. This is a waterfall at, Stevens Lake. And look at that, because it's been raining pretty good. And there's the monster, of course. Don't go down there, Milo, you be careful. And I'm going to come through here. Wow, look at that. Oh wow. It's got multi-levels. I think he's looking for a place to go. Okay, so, sorry guys. Holy mother! Holy mother of God, look at that water rushing! I'm gonna be quiet so y'all can enjoy the sounds and the beauty. Hold on. So I'm gonna take you back up here, through here. So yeah, I'm at the park and wow, that water is rushing like crazy. Look at that, it's maniacal. Oh my God, wow. I'll take you one more time through the waterfall from the bottom up. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I love nature, and since it's been raining, I figured it's going to be coming down pretty good. All right, you guys enjoy. Have a good one. Be safe.